so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing another unboxing video. Today I got sent a wonderful package from Glamnetic and I am just so excited. Firstly, this is the packaging. Absolutely stunning, but also they reached out to me and just said, can we send you some products just to do a little review? That is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be completely honest, completely non-biased, and I'm so excited to dive in and show you guys what I picked. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you do, and let's dive in to the unboxing. I'm so excited. So I'm going to go through each of the items, explaining what I chose, and then I'm going to try on some of the lashes. So I'm so excited. Let's dive in. Let's start off with some nails. So the first one I picked are these incredible press-on nails. These are called the Cloud 9 nails. Absolutely stunning. I am so in love with these. These are really beautiful. I love a natural nail. These are like oval with a slight point. I don't know, I just think these are really nice, not too long, not too short, kind of an everyday vibe, and that is why I chose those, so I love them. And the second pair of nails I chose are the Wildcard nails, which I am absolutely in love with. These are so stunning. These are a beautiful pair of nails, again, similar shape, slightly pointed, with really fun, unique designs on each nail. Each nail is completely different, and I just love that you can mix and match and kind of have them however you want them, which I really enjoy. So yeah, got those as well, in love with them. And now moving on to the lashes that I picked. So the first pair is the Lucky pair. These are a really beautiful set of eyelashes, very fluffy, almost a bit shorter for the eye, which is nice because my eyes are quite small on the top, so big lashes tend to look a bit too much, but I absolutely love the look of those. I then chose this pair, which is the Venus pair. These again are sort of similar to the Lucky ones in that they have a very sort of soft, fluffy look, but they are a little bit more subtle, a little bit more wearable, and I'm absolutely in love with those too. And lastly, I chose the Luxe Lashes, which are in a different box, and I'm going to need to get my scissors to open them. Beautiful packaging. All these are absolutely stunning. They look like this, so beautiful. I'm so excited to try them. I have never tried magnetic eyelashes in my life, so this could either be a really great revelation for me or a complete fail because I'm not great at putting lashes on anyway, so fingers crossed we do well with those. The next item I got sent is one of their lash grab tools. These are, I suppose, to help apply the eyelashes. Not actually sure how I'm supposed to get these out, so let's give it a try. So this is what it looks like. Essentially it's a really great thin pinching tool to help you apply the lashes, and I chose mine. I believe this is the blue colour, so it's like a blue ombre into pink. Really beautiful, love that. And the last item I got to pick was one of the eyeliner pens, and this is in the shade Deep Space, and I'm just going to open it to show you guys what it looks like. Beautiful matte packaging, very sleek, very thin, and I believe it's it's one of those what's it called ones, like a pen. You know what I mean? One of those. So now I'm going to try on a pair of the lashes. I think I'm going to go with the Venus lashes just because they are the most subtle, and if these look really good I will keep them on for the rest of the day, so fingers crossed they do, but these are the ones I'm going to try on, so let's go. So I have changed my lens, so you guys are super close to me now, but I need to pop on some of the Glamnetic eyeliner. It says to shake well before use and apply 2 to 3 times for maximum hold, so we are going to be doing so to test out these bad boys because I feel like I want to give them the best chance possible. Do you know what I mean? Let's just give it a shake. I am really bad at doing eyeliner, so let's give this a go, shall we? Because I'm just not the best. It doesn't feel super wet. It has a very dry texture, but I think that's probably because I'm applying it over the top of dry eyeliner. So maybe that's why. And I will do the last coat once I've opened these because I feel like I want to do it as soon as possible. So I'm just going to open the Venus lashes, and they look like this, by the way. Absolutely stunning. So pretty. It says on the packaging to do one final coat quickly and then to apply the lashes straight away. So that's what I'm going to try and do. Oh my goodness, okay. Wish me luck, guys, because I am just so bad at this. Oh no, okay. Do you know what? Bad, but I'm going to do it with my fingers. I feel like I've got a bit more control. Stop. Was that it? Okay, hang on a minute, because this, I'm not even joking, guys. I'm not saying this just because they were purely gifted. That was the easiest lash I've ever put on in my entire life. This is a game changer. Oh my goodness. And it's nothing against these tools. I think I just find my fingers easier because I'm not very good at putting on eyelashes, because I rarely ever do it, purely because I feel like it's quite time consuming. I don't understand how it works. I'm obsessed with that. Like, that was so easy. I'm obsessed, guys. I'm actually in love with these. Like, I can't. I'm gonna keep these on all day. They are not heavy, they are not sticky, they are not, like, if you know when you put on eyelashes, I don't know if it's just me, but I'm not very good at eyelashes, and when I put them on, they're either too close to my inner corners, or, I don't know, you just can't tweak them as easy as this, because I can just peel them off, stick them back on. I am absolutely over the moon. Honestly, easiest eyelash application I have ever done in my life. I'm actually gobsmacked with how easy and mess-free and incredibly simple that process was. You guys know I used to wear eyelashes for most of my YouTube videos, but they used to take me 10 minutes each. I'm not even joking. I can't do eyelashes. You glue them on, you let them dry for ages, and these are so simple, so easy to use. Like, I'm converted to magnetic eyelashes. Like, I cannot fault these whatsoever. I just don't even know how to, like, describe it. Like, I'm shook. Unbelievable. Like, insane. So I cannot cope, honestly. I'm just unreal. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Thank you so much, Glamnetic, for gifting me these items. I'm absolutely obsessed with everything, and I cannot wait to wear the nails for Christmas, so thank you so much. They have also been incredibly kind to give you guys 15% off using the code MELODY15OFF. This does not give me commission. This does not give me anything. It is literally just a gift from them to you. So if you want to check out their website, make sure you use the code to save yourself some money, because obviously Christmas has come in and we've got to save every single penny possible. So yeah, that is for you guys. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.